Assalamu alaikum everyone. MashaAllah, welcome back to another site update. Today I would like to explain the substructure work of the villa project in details. So you can see in this video the foundation work has been completed successfully, and MashaAllah, the substructure block work is also finished. For this substructure we have used 30 Newton SRC concrete, which is suitable for the foundation and underground substructure works. This grade of concrete provides the required strength, durability, and long-term performance for the substructure. You can also notice that the reinforcement steel used here is green color painted steel. The reason of using painted steel is very important, since this is substructure work and it will remain inside the soil permanently. So the painted coating helps protect the steel from corrosion and moisture effects. This extra protection increase the soil of structure. Mashallah, all the movement cleaning work is in progress. All the surface footing and block walls are being cleared properly to ensure that no dust, loose materials, or soil remaining on the concrete surface. After the cleaning work, completed, we will apply bitumen waterproofing. Bitumen will applied into proper course of all the footing and substructure blocks wall. This step very important to protect the substructure from moisture and groundwater. Once the bitumen application is completed, we will fix 100 gauge plastic sheets over all footing and block walls. This plastic sheets acts as an additional protective layer and ensure complete waterproofing of the substructure. You can also see that all holes in the block walls have been properly closed. This is done to make sure that the bitumen coating is applied smoothly and evenly inside the substructure after the backfilling. Mashallah, all these steps are being carried out carefully, following proper technical standards to ensure quality, durability, and long-term safety and the villa protection. You can also see the column necks, which is casted above the footing level. The purpose of providing column necks is to clearly define the column position and maintain proper alignment for the substructures. Column necks acts as a strong connection between the foundation and the upper structure. These column necks are kept short in height because a ground beam, also known as a tie beam, will constructed above them. The ground beam will connect all the columns together and helps in distribution load of this structure. I will continue to share details updates as the project progress further. For professional construction work and technical side updates, follow my page. Thank you, and see you in next update, inshallah.